In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert an image into a Canva frame. Now, first off, we're going to need to find a Canva frame. So we come over to Elements, then we can scroll down, come to Frames, and then we can choose one. Now, for this example, let's click on See All, and let's go with this square just here. Now, to insert an image into this is very simple. First off, we need our image. So let's go back to here, and let me just choose one of these. Let's go with this one. Now, there's two different ways that we can do this. We can just click on it to put it into the canvas, just like this, and then all we have to do is simply drag and drop into that Canva frame. Now, another way is that we can do that directly from over here. So if we just click, grab, drag, we can drop that in there, just like that. Now, there's a couple of quick things that I quickly want to cover. First off, if your image doesn't look right, we can adjust this. So we can click onto the image, then we can drag to have it to where we want. Or we can also click on the corner and enlarge this as well, just like that. Now, over here on the left-hand side, we also have a few different options with Smart Crop, Expand, and Rotate. So we can play around with the rotation of this image as well. Now, once you have it how you want, simply click Done, and then that's it. Now, we can add borders to frames as well. So if we click up here, where it says Stroke Style, we can then choose the style that we want. Let's go with a solid. We can increase that weight as well. I've done it on the wrong one, so let's do that again. Click on there, click onto the stroke style, choose whichever one you want, increase that, and then you can also change the color as well. Now, to delete the image in the frame is very simple as well. If we click on here, then click on the bin icon, and we're going to get two different options. We can delete the image, or we can just delete the whole thing. So if we click on delete image, that image has now been deleted. Now let's go back one as well, because if we click onto the three dots, we can come down to here to where it says detach image, and it's just going to detach it from that frame, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to insert an image into a Canva frame. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.